shades on the window, and I know where they go underground, down into the storm drains where they drown. It's Friday, so it means we're going to the Dairy Queen drive-thru. The sky is gray, but we pretend it's blue. And there isn't a reason, they just open for the season. Yeah, it's spring. I'll get one with sprinkles and everything. I keep looking at the puddles and thinking about the troubles in my life. The ripples start out small, then they grow wide. I don't know why. I scream in the rain, 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 I scream in the rain. Well, she hands me my cone, I hold it like a microphone unplugged. She asks me how my day is, I just shrug. Am I supposed to tell her that life feels like a cellar, it's so dark? We pull around the corner and we park. And Cher is on the radio, and I know how this one goes after all. I lick my ice cream as the rain falls. It drips down my fingers and lands on my Batman sticker on my bag. I wipe it off before she gets mad. What's sweet shouldn't be sad. I scream in the rain, 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 I scream in the rain. After all that we've been through, this was awful nice of you. Could tell you how I felt. I don't wanna let it melt. No, I don't wanna let it melt. I scream in the rain, 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 I scream in the rain. I got a chocolate, and what kind did you get? What kind did you get?